Aimee from Syngenta here. Now I'm here on this belter day with Rob. How you going, Rob?
Great.
And we're about to conduct a taste test on a colony of ants to see if they prefer ADVION or OPTIGARD. So it's kind of like a taste test to see if they like steak or cake. Now, Rob, I like both sweet and savoury things, but not always at the same time. Do ants really have a taste preference?
Of course, depending on the species and the time of year, they can prefer different tastes. And knowing what they prefer will make eliminating the colony much easier.
Okay, so how do we figure out what they prefer?
Let's go. I'll show you.
All right.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find the ants' pathways. So they'll be travelling from their nest to a food source.
Sweet, let's have a look then. Right, so once we found them then what do we do?
Okay, basically we place a small dot of each gel and wait to see which one they go for.
So we've applied the gel. I wonder what flavour they're going to like.
So ADVION and OPTIGARD are both very highly attractive, but of course the more bait they consume, the better chance we have of colony eradication.
Oh, let's see what they like.
Looks like ADVION's the winner this time.
Oh, okay, so is this what all good pesties do?
Absolutely. A little bit of patience will give us the best results in the long run.
Sweet, looks like we have some ADVION to apply then.